Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tasia G, and I'm here today with a cooking video, you guys. Yes, I am so excited to be doing the Flaming Hot Crunchy Chicken Wing Challenge. I've been wanting to do this challenge for like the longest. Oh my gosh. So I kind of did a little different because when I saw those ingredients, I was like, no, it's not gonna work. So I did the garlic salt, the lemon pepper seasoning, the total complete seasoning. I have my buffalo sauce here, Southern Ranch, and the chips with the wings right here. So you guys, I already pre-seasoned it from the night before and washed it and all of that. So let's get started. Okay, so what we have to do is get the chicken wing, dip it in the buffalo sauce, and then throw it in this batter, the Cheetos, put it in the fryer. Now we had the option of using ranch, buffalo, or sriracha. I chose buffalo because I don't like ranch. So it's getting kind of messy. We're gonna see how this tastes. So like that. Yeah. 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 Okay. All right. I'm gonna do about 3 and see how it tastes. If it don't taste good, I got extra wings to cook up and eat. All right. Same thing. We're gonna just do this. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. I can't believe this. Okay. This is coming off a little bit. And this one. So you're gonna dip it in the buffalo sauce. Okay, and then you're gonna put it in the flaming hot Cheetos. I watched tons and tons of different videos on how to make this, and this is the simplest way. So let's fry these up. Okay guys, so it's finally finished. Now I recommend you guys to use an egg instead of the buffalo sauce because my Cheetos do not stick all the way on there. So use your egg instead of the buffalo sauce. And remember to season your food the night before so it tastes much better. Yes, season it the night before tastes a lot better than seasoning it before you cook it. That's another tip I want to tell you guys. So it tastes, we're going to taste it to see how it tastes. It's pretty good. Yeah, definitely taste the buffalo sauce, but it tastes pretty good, guys. So please subscribe and like this channel. If you thought this video was good, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you thought it was alright, please let me know what I did wrong so the next video that I do, I can correct it. Okay, guys, it's just my second video that I'm learning as we go on. I have a lot in store for you guys. This is not just a cooking channel. We're going to talk about relationship advice. I'm going to be doing skits, you guys, a whole bunch of trending challenges. So please let me know what you want, and I will give it to you, and I will learn how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Okay, guys? So thank you so much. Please subscribe, share my video. Whatever you have to do, please. Thank you, guys. Bye.